So guys, bracelet magkano kaya to? Mother, how much this one? How much this one?
This one?
Yeah. $1,480. Kam gram?
Almost 5.
21.
Ha?
Almost 4. This one.
Ayan guys,
Mother, may I
4
see that?
grams is
This one. Yes.
magkano sabi niya? 4 grams
21 karat.
400 400 1/4
450 na ba?
1/4 ayan guys, 4 grams na
How much is this?
bracelet is 1/4 real. So ibig sabihin nasa 15 nasa 20,000 siya. Nasa 20,000 siya mga idol
This one, mother, how much?
21 carats?
21.
Yan, 21 carats mga idol.
Solid.
Yeah. Solid
Very
21
solid.
carats. Ayan, 5 grams is almost 4 grams. 1,450 real. So ang ganda mga idol. So nasa siya? 15. So nasa 20,000 pesos. Nasa 20,000 pesos mga idol, Pilas money. Di ba ang ganda? 20,000 pesos Pinas money. 4 grams mahigit.
2,600.
21 carats.